Forests are the Earth's lungs, breathing life into our world, sustaining the very air we breathe. They are a vibrant tapestry of life, a symphony of green, where every leaf and creature plays a part in the grand orchestra of nature. Towering trees reach for the sky, their leaves rustling in the breeze, whispering ancient secrets. Sunlight filters through the canopy, dappling the forest floor with a dance of light and shadow. Life teems in every corner, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal, each playing a crucial role in this ecosystem. Forests are essential to our planet's health, providing oxygen, regulating climate, and supporting countless species, ensuring the balance of our environment. Forests are also places of profound beauty and tranquility, offering a sanctuary from the chaos of modern life. They offer a sense of peace and wonder, a connection to something far greater than ourselves, a reminder of our place in the natural world. The air is fresh and clean, filled with the scent of pine needles and damp earth, invigorating our senses. The sounds of the forest, from the chirping of birds to the rustling of leaves, are a soothing balm for the soul, a natural symphony. Forests are a reminder of the intricate and delicate balance of nature, a balance that we must strive to protect and cherish for future generations. Drawn by the whispers of the wind, tales of ancient forests under threat, Alex embarks on a journey to a remote corner of the world. Here, nestled amidst towering mountains and pristine rivers, lies a forest teeming with life, a sanctuary for countless species, many found nowhere else on Earth. But this hidden paradise is in peril. Alex. Upon arriving in the nearby village, Alex meets Priya, a local guide with a deep connection to the forest. Priya, whose family has lived in harmony with the forest for generations, is a fount of knowledge about its intricate ecosystem and the creatures that call it home. Together, Alex and Priya venture into the heart of the forest, determined to document its beauty and the threats it faces. As they journey deeper into the forest, a sense of unease settles upon them. The once pristine landscape is marred by scars of destruction. Towering trees lie felled, stripped bare, their lifeless trunks a stark contrast to the vibrant green that surrounds them. The air, once filled with the sounds of life, is heavy with the silence of absence. The ground is littered with debris, the remnants of a once thriving ecosystem, now sacrificed for profit. The sweet scent of pine is replaced by the acrid smell of sawdust and decay. The destruction is heartbreaking, a stark reminder of the human capacity for greed and disregard for the natural world. A shadow falls over Alex and Priya as they encounter the source of the destruction. A group of loggers, their chainsaws buzzing through the forest like angry wasps, slicing through the trees with relentless efficiency. These men, hardened by their work and driven by the promise of profit, seem oblivious to the devastation they are causing. The forest, once vibrant and full of life, now stands on the brink of ruin. Alex. Stop! Please, stop what you're doing. Do you understand what you're destroying? The very essence of our environment is at stake. This forest regulates our climate, provides clean air and water, and supports countless species. It is a sanctuary for wildlife and a crucial part of our planet's health. We need it to survive. Without it, the balance of nature will be irreparably damaged. But Alex's words fall on deaf ears, met with indifference and hostility. The loggers, focused solely on their task, show no signs of stopping. The loggers are unmoved, their minds set on their work. Their only concern the bottom line. The forest's cries for help go unheard. Mr. Singh, as Mr. Singh, we have a job to do, and we're going to do it. This is business, not a charity. Our livelihoods depend on this work. Alex's heart pounds with a mixture of anger and sadness as they realize the enormity of the challenge ahead. The fight to save the forest seems almost insurmountable. The loggers, driven by profit, remain indifferent to the destruction they are causing. The forest's future hangs in the balance, teetering on the edge of oblivion. Priya, her voice trembling with emotion, steps forward, her eyes filled with determination. She speaks of her people's deep connection to the forest, how it has sustained them for generations, providing food, medicine, and spiritual solace. This forest is not just a place, it is a living, breathing entity that nurtures their very existence. Priya, as Priya. This forest is our home, our sanctuary. It has fed us, healed us, and given us spiritual peace for generations. Without it, we are lost. The animals that live here, their homes are being destroyed, their lives disrupted. They too are part of this delicate balance. She appeals to their humanity, reminding them that they are not separate from nature, but a part of it. Every tree cut down is a piece of our soul, lost. Priya, as Priya. Please, think about the legacy you are leaving for future generations. Consider the impact of your actions. A legacy of destruction and loss, a future where the forest is just a memory. We are all part of this world, connected to each other and to nature. Our fates are intertwined. We cannot survive without it. Our very existence depends on the health of this forest. Her words, spoken from the heart, carry the weight of generations, the wisdom of a people who have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. They know the true value of this land. But will they be enough to change the hearts and minds of those set on destruction? Only time will tell if her plea can make a difference.
Priya's impassioned plea ignites a spark of hope.
The villagers, witnessing the destruction of their beloved forest, rally behind Alex and Priya. They understand that their livelihoods, their culture, their very way of life is inextricably linked to the fate of the forest.
They organize protests, blocking logging roads, their voices rising in unison to demand an end to the destruction.